Welcome everyone. Our next video of PF. In this video, we will see PF monthly return. This is a part 1. In next slide, we will see the object and focus area of PF monthly return in part 1. So our object and focus area is PF calculations, how to download ECR file online, and how to fill employees data into ECR file. So first is PF calculation. So look, we go into the Excel sheet and we will look into the calculations. So let's go. So this is our employee PF calculation sheet. Okay, first you have to write your employee names, their CTCs, number of days, and number of working days. Then basic plus DA, others, and total gross. Others is that basic plus DA after and others is minus basic plus DA, CTC minus basic plus DA. And then total gross, PF employee and PF employer contribution, ESI. Okay. So first basic plus DA, then others, then total gross. For PF employee is, as you know, that the employee PF contribution is 12% of basic plus DA. Same employer contribution is also 12% of basic plus DA. So first we will see the calculation of PF employee PF calculation. So as you see in the formula bar, there is F3 means basic plus DA into 12%. Same as you can see in next employee, same we'll do for same way we will calculate for each employee. For PF employer contribution, there is some technique that it is a 12% on basic plus DA, but when that basic plus DA is equal to 50,000 or less than 50,000. If basic plus DA is more than 15,000, then the calculation will be 12% of 15,000, not on whole basic and DA salary. Just if you see for the Ishika, our employee, as his basic plus DA is 40,000, we will calculate not on 40,000 but on 15,000 into 12%. So as you can see, it is 1,800. Same we have do for formal and same for army. And rest of that, their basic salary is less than 15,000. Then that time we will calculate their basic into 12%. As ESI in our company, there's employees less than 20, so we didn't apply for the ESI. We are not eligible. Now we see that this is a EPF wages. What is EPF wages? EPF wages is a employee contribution and EPS wages is employer contribution. So as you see that for first one, Neha, that is basic plus DA is less than 15,000. So their employer contribution is also on basic salary plus DA and employee contribution is same, basic plus DA. So in employee, it is an employer contribution. As you can see, the calculation is EPF wages into 12%. Same for other employees. And EPS and EPF is that the employer contribution of on the 12% of the employer contribution is divided into two parts. One is EPS and another one is EPF. In EPS is percentage rate is 8.33% and EPF 3.67%. So as you can see that EPF wages into 8.33% and same for EPF, we have done EPF wages into 3.367%. as you can see in the formula. Okay, and this is the our calculation which we will do. We will explain you right now. EDLIS and EDL admin chart. What is that? I will explain you this also. For PF wages is that nothing. It is a EPF wages of employee. Employee is the employee contribution. EPS is the employer contribution, and EPF is also employer contribution. EDLIS charges is, as you can see the formula, is EPF wages into 0.50%, and same for admin EDLIS admin charges is EPF wages into 0.50%. And this is the total value which you have to pay for EPF portal. Okay, so that sum is that you have to not to calculate PF wages. Okay, it is just mention PF wages for our understanding. You no need to be calculate PF wages. You only calculate employee EPS, EPF, EDLIS admin charge. Okay, you have to total this, as you can see in the formula bar also. Okay, now this is a PF calculation. Now we will go to the Google and see how to download EPF ECR file online. So first you have to go EPFO portal. After that you have to log in establishment sign in. You have to write your username, password, and then sign in. After signing, you have to go to the payment. In payment, ECR return filing. In ECR return filing, you have to go to ECR and ECR upload. Then download ECR file. You have to click on download ECR file. You have to choose the month. We are right now doing for August month, so we are selecting August. Then type of file is ECR file, and then click on ECR file download. So after downloading ECR file, it will look paste here. Okay. And for EPF wages, as we calculate EPF wages, is that this is our EPF wages. For EPF, you have to mention EPF wages. We have just calculate our EPF wages. Is just mention that. Same EPS wages, we have to write this EPF wages. This, as you know, the basic salary and plus DA is more than 15,000. So we will only write 15,000 for this, and for who is as a more than 15,000 basic plus DA salary. Now EDLI wages, same as EPF wages. EPF contribution, as we have already know, EPF contribution is 12% of EPF wages, or you can simply copy from here, or you can write out the formula. We will do the simply copy from here. for same EPS and EPF wages. Same, we have to update EPF and EPS is the difference of EPF, EPS and minus EPF. Just write down the formula, you will get your value. And then say drag down NPC 0, NCP day, you have to write 0 and 0. Okay, this is our filling of ECR file. So in this video, we see how to calculate PF, how to download ECR file online, and how to fill employees data into ECR file. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. For any query or any question, you can reach us as on email ID info@skillanything.com, or you can contact simply in this number. Thank you.